You are welcome. In Akash Hardware, you will find every item to give your house an attractive look. Here you will get the best quality tiles, granite, marble, sanitary ware, hydraulic modular kitchen, bathroom ware and much more. And the hardware of every brand is present here, whether it is Johnson, Century, Toyo or other big brand hardware. You are available here at fair price and rates. So come to Akash Hardware and give your house an attractive look. A major security alert has been sounded by the authorities in Manipur in the wake of an intelligence input that over 900 Kuki militants have infiltrated into the state from Myanmar, officials said. As per the intel alert, these are militants who are trained for the use of drone-based bombs, projectiles, missiles and jungle warfare. A report accessed by media says, they are reportedly grouped in units of 30 members each and currently scattered in the periphery and expected to launch multiple coordinated attacks on Meitei villages around 28 September 2024. Unless and until it is proved wrong, we believe that it is 100% correct, Security Advisor to Manipur Kuldeep Singh said, confirming the intelligence report. Meanwhile, security agencies in Manipur have not put in place a standard operating procedures (SOP) for use of drones in the state, according to which nobody will be allowed to fly these devices without permission of the authorities, Kuldeep Singh added. The latest security concern comes a day after the Indian Army, in a joint operation with the Manipur police, recovered a large cache of improvised explosive devices, IEDs, in the hilly regions of Imphal East District. The operation took place near the villages of Bongjang and Itham, preventing a potentially devastating threat to life and property.
Has been an input which has been circulating since 3-4 days in national media as well as with us, with all of you also. Maybe you may be aware of this. There is an input in which approximately it is said that 900 Kuki militants have entered Manipur and they may attack any day in and around 28th of September. You must have heard about it. So the government thought it prudent that the efforts taken must be shared with all of you and through you with the general public, so that there is no confidence loss and people feel safe and have faith in the system. For this, a meeting was taken by me on 18th of September in Chief Secretary's Conference Hall, and that was the SOG meeting, that is called Strategic Operations Group meeting. In that meeting, we deliberated in details with all the force chiefs who are present here, like Assam Rifle, IGR South, IGR East, then GOC 57 Mountain Division, Chief of BSF, whoever is present here, then the IG of CRPF, who is chief at this place, DG of CRPF, DG of Manipur, Home Commissioner, and all other senior officers who are related with security aspects of the issues. We discussed it in detail, and whatever had happened, like drone-based systems and missile-based systems, rocket-based systems, all were deliberated upon, and the steps taken have been circulated to all the far-flung areas and all the forces, so that they are briefed, they are discussed in detail, and if any kind of input or any kind of preparation from the side of the militants is seen, then it should be nipped in the bud. The input was shared with all these, as I discussed, and then input is being shared with different intelligence agencies also, because they have to develop it, because once 900 people are coming in a group of 30 each, or less than 30 or more than 30, they will definitely go somewhere, halt somewhere, they will need food and shelter. So all these kind of inputs from various agencies, various intelligence agencies will have to be gathered, and wherever we find that this kind of people are roaming around, that area has to be cordoned off, combing operations have to be done, and then immediately we go ahead with that. Now for this, the police department has also alerted their border police, their all checkposts, the Assam Rifle, who is a border guarding force, they have been alerted sufficiently. The districts of Churachandpur, Technopol, Kamjong, Ukhrul and Firzawal are put on high alert on this. And also whenever they are doing any combing operation, generally we do combing operation for the search and seizure of arms and ammunition. But now we are also have briefed all the forces, we are also looking for the raw materials by which the rockets, missiles, drones, etc. are prepared. Maybe the part of the battery, part of the drone, maybe the explosive, maybe the bomb itself, maybe the pipe itself by which the rocket is being manufactured, explosives, and transportation system, the fins they attach with the rocket. All these kind of things have to be checked while doing the combing operations. The explosives are generally not available, but explosives are given to various agencies officially, and the pilferage as well as the explosives which are stolen, that is a part which adds to the ammunition and ammo of the militants. So for that we have also alerted all the district magistrates in whose areas the explosive license holders are there, and other agencies like the road construction, like the railway tunneling areas and other areas wherever explosives are being used, that stock and other things must be checked and seen whether any kind of pilferage problem or there are any dispute in the stock maintenance. Then the all connected roads and villages in the 5 kilometer radius towards the hillside as well as